Hey, we'll do a quick little preview before I'm at the boat show here. This is all the old boats. I did like 7 videos. I'm on the DJI. It's a 4K. Quick little preview. These are some of the. I didn't do any of these, but these are older boats here. At the boat show here in downtown Minneapolis today. I'll show you like a quick little. These are some old school boats. A whole bunch of here, a lot of party barges and stuff. Kind of see we store these things. So the old the motors. A lot of families here today. It's really kind of cool to see. But some of the stuff is outrageous. They want to price some of these boats. But
I picked expensive boats, ones that are too expensive to buy.
That's a nice one over there. A lot of people my age, women my age, are walking on platinum blonde hair and drinks in their hand, acting like they're all that a bag of chips, looking for a boat, and then wondering how much they cost, but bitching about it. It's like if they ask what it costs, you can't afford it. Well, my dad always told me. It's kind of cool to walk around. These are kind of cool right here. Garwood. I'll give you a little preview. Maybe I'll go in there. I'll show you a couple of quick boats before I put a little preview. Once I will be out in October. Kind of rolling here, then let's quick little preview of what we went through today. A bunch of party barges, a bunch of stuff, a couple of cool boats I saw, a couple of 2-seaters that were like called my gangster ones. So let's go over here real quick. Big ass boats. I have a few that if you live down in Florida, you get on. It's open mic because I don't have the mic for this one yet. You can kind of see they got a lot of big boats. And down here at the we have the hunting and we have the camping. Oh, watch out! And the camping one going on. So it's down there in Minneapolis. This is St. Paul. This is in Minneapolis. All kinds of fun stuff. You can see the old boats, the new boats. Even the big ass party boat over here. They have all kinds of party barges. A ton of them. Master crafts. They got hunting boats. They got ton of party boats. This is a bigger party boat right here. We got, you name it, they have it. They have docks. Up here, my right, these things are like 50 grand or more. This is right here was a great little gangster ride right here.
Actually, it's cute.
She thinks this is cute, I guess. So it's 45. The trailer. So I did like 7 videos. Now you get into some of these big ass ones right here. These are spendy. We're living down in Florida. Oh, look at this the Captain Kirk chair right there, man. But there's a lot of good used ones you can buy. Yeah, Minneapolis boat show, a little preview. They've got, look at that bad boy. That's your family truckster right there. Used to have a lot of that grills on. They don't have them on anymore, but It took me 7 videos to get through this whole thing. Trying to get this. Now we're hiring. These big ass ones right here. Look how big these motors are. This one's kind of cool right here. Look at this bad boy. That Malibu. Oh, goodness. The hell of a boat. Malibu's got a lot of cool colors on their boats. Ours are kind of cool over there too as well. You kind of tell these are all the Benningtons are very, very expensive and very, very big. Not exactly something you're going to have on a basic lake. You're going to be down in Florida with these bad boys. It's kind of a luxury lane down here. This is Savannah. They've got a lot down here. This is a $47,000 thing, and that's without trailer too as well. Party barge. Four. Walk up into here. But they have the camping show in St. Paul. I might go tomorrow. We'll see. I probably doubt it, but you got, you name it, you got it. You price side, but you can also buy no nice used ones too as well. Too. Over here, quick. This is where if you're buying a boat here, you come to buy. You don't ask for you just buy if you have the money. This big bad boy right here. Looks like a boat for you, my friend. Oh yeah, I can see that view.
He had one before.
Did he? How'd you like it?
Great job. They were a little finicky. I think they probably got them better. We had the electronics went out once, like when you're
Imagine that.
When you kind of hit the waves.
Yeah, that's horrible manufacturing in my mind. It's like the RV's the same way. RV's the same way. You're spending this kind of money, it should be guaranteed work for a good 6-5 years. I mean, it's serious. It should work that. Things are going to take a shot because these go. They're on lakes. They're on rivers and stuff, in oceans.
And it's like a sports car. It's very.
Right.
It's built to protect itself.
Right.
So we picked up like a couple of grains of sand in the filter,
Right.
and then it captures throttle like 3 miles an hour because it's trying to protect itself.
Right.
So I mean, when they work.
That's a sad thing.
They're really fun.
And then when you pay that amount of money, it should work. It should work.
Yeah.
All right.
You like this one, Lisa?
Anyways, guys, so first hand right there. So anyway, so we're on the DJI. So here's the Bennington ones. They're not cheap either. Skidoos here.
I'll make more money. Like you said, I'll make more money on Monday.
Open this up before we head out. You need a grill on this thing and you're good. There we go. Sit down this bad boy and relax. I should make an announcement. Guess what? I'm quitting YouTube, right? I'm going to do a video on that later. People quitting YouTube for some reason. This is a side hustle, not a job. It's like being a Uber driver or DoorDash. But anyways, a little preview of what's coming. We got 7 videos, 3 in this camera, This will be the fourth one, and then I got the GoPro 10. So, anyways, you guys, on the 20th day of January 2024 at the Minneapolis Boat Show. On the nice Benton here. Nice ride. Swell's coming to get me. See you in the next video. A little preview action. My other ones will be out in October. So anyways, guys, on the Action 4 and 4K. See you in the next one.